Transform your professional image with this revolutionary crossbody bag that outperforms bulky backpacks while elevating your style. Oversized backpacks create an unprofessional tourist appearance and compromise your sophisticated look. This premium black sling bag delivers executive level refinement while offering superior storage capacity compared to larger alternatives. The cutting-edge design features sleek lines and premium textured materials that adapt flawlessly from corporate environments to leisure settings. Measuring 34 centimeters with an ultra-light 360 gram profile, it navigates crowded transit systems effortlessly while accommodating all essential items. The advanced compartment architecture provides dedicated electronics protection in the reinforced rear section, while the innovative front grid system organises smaller accessories. Concealed security pockets safeguard valuable items. Streamlined card access eliminates traditional wallet inconvenience. The professional-grade Duraflex quick-release system enables instant adjustment for multiple carrying configurations. Commuting by bicycle requires chest positioning. Urban shopping demands crossbody functionality. Business engagements call for classic shoulder presentation. Verified customer testimonials confirm exceptional durability with zero wear signs despite intensive daily usage. Today's efficiency-focused professionals require equipment that matches their performance standards without unnecessary bulk. Elevate your carrying solution immediately. Click now to join smart professionals who prioritise intelligent functionality over excessive size.